Hello, welcome to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having your company. Once again, we're here for hashtag Plan Fun Get Things Done, and it's hosted by myself, Crafty Girl Chronicles. It's a way that I plan out things that I need to get done throughout the week, and I also plan to have some time for myself, quality time, self-care time. I don't stress if I can't get it all done. I do spread it over time if I must, such as days, weeks and even months. And I do not forget to take some time out for myself. I have a dance routine, I listen to music, my favourite podcast, I take a nap, I swim at the moment twice a week. Aquafit is an hour and I swim for a half an hour every week as well by myself. I really enjoy that. I get to do a lot of stretching, just having some time where I don't have to think about anything but being in the water. I do take a regular pedicure at the salon. I've been dabbling in painting my nails and things that makes me happy. I'm planning for today the 27th up until Sunday the 2nd of November, and I can't believe it's November already. Oh my goodness me. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna write in November here. Let's do that. I'm making a right mess of this, aren't I? I should have just left it the way it was. But some of the letters were shorter than some of them. Alright. Leave it as that. Look what I've gone and done. A right mess now. Alright. If you're new here to my channel, I'd like to say thank you and welcome along, and thank you to all my returning subscribers as well. I always go over what I do on a weekly basis. Now, Monday, Wednesday and Friday I wash and dry. Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday I fold and pack away all the clothes that I've washed the previous day. I take a regular walk all week, Monday to Saturday. I don't walk on a Sunday, but on a Wednesday and Saturday I tend to do a longer walk. On a Monday, Wednesday and Friday I do my budgeting as well, and I do follow the Fly Lady cleaning zone system, and it is zone 1. We're back to zone 1 ready. So zone 1 is hoover small spaces, clean the cooker hood, the backsplash, and I want to do the top cupboard doors this week. Last week I did the bottom ones, or the bottom, and I usually have a bit more. Let's see, I usually have a bit more to do in my zone. So I'm hoovering the small spaces, bleaching the kitchen hood, the backsplash. I am doing the top cupboard doors. I'm not doing the utensil drawers, the food container cupboard, the food containers and the cupboard, and check the food cupboards. I'm not doing that because I did that the last time around and nothing needs doing this time round. So I have got some extra time for quality time, and that's what I like about the zone system. It is just a good way that I keep on top of things. This is my compulsory cleaning every week, which is the bedding, bleach the kitchen and bathroom and toilet, hoover everywhere, and do my budgeting, of course. Right, so Thursday I do a little bit of gardening, and I spend about 30 minutes doing a bit of ironing as well. It's movie night on a Thursday where I normally have a snack. I think I'm gonna have a pizza this week. And Saturday I like to do a bit of crafting, a good deal of crafting on a Saturday. So I think I'll do that. It's getting pretty cold now, so I won't be doing any you know, days out of London at the moment. It's too cold. Hate it. On a Sunday, it's back to church, and I do have a foot soak on a Wednesday and a Sunday as well. I've got to book some appointments for next week, and that's it. Now, everything is subject to change, and these that I've got to do, I spread it over the days. I don't just get everything done like today, Monday. No way. I just spread it over time. But I'm so glad that I don't have to do those bits that I had mentioned, because I have got time now, more time to do some quality time, you know, relaxation and stuff. When I get the opportunity, I take it. And that is me for this week. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'd be happy to answer your questions. My images are from Pinterest. They certainly are. I love them. I just came across them. I was looking and I came across them. And my washi tape, I've put it away now. I've had this washi tape such a long time. This pretty one. It's lovely. I love it. It matches the outfits and stuff. And that is it for this week. If you did like this video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now.